Hi, my name is Giselle. I'm with Group 4, and today we will be showing you guys how to perform the proper method for skinfold measurements. So skinfold measurements is used to determine the amount of subcutaneous fat, which is a fat located directly under the skin. So skinfold measurements determines body composition, which correlates well with body composition determined by underwater weighing and DEXA. And now Andrea will begin to explain the method of performing skinfold measurements.
When taking skinfold measurements, here's how. Step 1. Take all measurements on the right side of the client's body. The client's skinfold should be dry and lotion-free. Do not take skinfold measurements immediately after exercise. Step 2. Identify and mark all sites before measuring. Step 3. Firmly grasp the skinfold, 2 layers of skin and subcutaneous fat, between the thumb and the index finger of your left hand, 1 centimeter above the site to be measured. To grasp the skinfold, place the thumb and index finger above 3 in part on a line that is perpendicular to the long axis of the skinfold. Pull the skinfold up and away from the body. Step 4. Keep the fold elevated while you take measure. Keep pinching the fold with your left hand throughout the entire measurement. Step 5. Hold the caliper in your right hand with the dial facing up. Place the jaws of the calipers perpendicular to the fold 1 centimeter below the fingers and halfway between the crest and the base of the fold. And release all pressure on the scissor grip while keeping the caliper perpendicular to the skinfold. Be sure to record the skinfold measurement to the nearest 0.5 millimeters 1 to 2 seconds after releasing the scissor grip. Step 6. Take skinfold measurements in rotational order to allow time for the skinfold to regain its normal thickness. Step 7. Take a minimum of 2 measurements at each side. If duplicate measurements are not within 1 or 2 millimeters, retest this site. And finally, Step 8. Calculate the average for each skinfold site. Using the client's measurements and validated skinfold equations, percent body fat can be estimated.
The first site we're going to take measurement will be the abdominal area. This is a vertical fold 2 centimeters to the right of the umbilicus. The next site we'll be taking will be on the triceps. This is a vertical fold on the posterior midline of the upper arm. The next site will be the chest pectoral area. This is a diagonal fold, 1/2 distance between the anterior axillary line and the nipple for men. For women, it would be 1/3 of the distance between the anterior axillary line and the nipple. The next site will be the mid-axillary, and this is a vertical fold on the mid-axillary line at the level of the xiphoid process of the sternum. The next site will be the subscapular area. This is a diagonal fold at 45-degree angle, 1 or 2 centimeters below the inferior angle of the scapula. The next site will be the suprailiac. This is a diagonal fold in line with the natural angle of the iliac crest taken in the anterior axillary line. The last site we will be taking is on the thigh. This is a vertical fold on the anterior midline of the thigh, midway between the proximal border of the patella.
The following table will show the 7 site formulas used to determine body density. There is a total of 4 3-site formulas, varying from chest, abdomen, and thigh. Second, chest, triceps, and subscapular. Third, being triceps, suprailiac, and thigh. Fourth, triceps, suprailiac, and abdominal. Both men and women each have their own formula to determine body density. The following table will show the percent body fat range depending on their age for men. This table will also show the percent body fat varying in age for women. So we hope this presentation helps you guys in conducting skin fold measurements and body fat and density calculations.